Hamilton Dental Designs is an office that provides a variety of different treatment options for patients who are looking to have a smile enhancement done. Porcelain veneers are the most traditional way of doing veneer work. It involves a conservative amount of tooth reduction, cementing a very, very high quality porcelain or restorative material on the tooth that will achieve long-term stability and long-term aesthetic enhancement. We are also increasingly doing more and more composite resin or chairside veneer work, whereby we don't do anything to the teeth themselves, and we actually just bond composite material, layer it onto the tooth, and really have been achieving beautiful, beautiful results with high quality composites that last a very long time. And some of our younger patients who don't want to have any actual drilling on their teeth will opt to have resin veneer work done. Depending on the patient's specific needs, there are different avenues that we can take, all of which will hopefully lead to a patient achieving the smile of their dreams.